Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. There's one additional lesson that I need to teach you all in Unit 10. It has to do with circles and has to do with the segment length of chords that intersect inside a circle. So given a circle and two chords that cross inside the circle. Let's say this piece here I'm going to call A, this piece is B, then over here I've got C and D. It's kind of a simple theorem. Basically says the product of the pieces of one chord is equal to the product of the pieces of the other chord. So basically, we just need to make sure that we get the same chord. So these two pieces here, A and B, if we were to multiply those together, that would equal the result we get when we multiply C and D. So a simple equation would kind of look like this. A times B equals C times D. Now, an abbreviation for this theorem is basically piece times piece equals piece times piece. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you three of the lengths and you're going to be looking for the fourth. So let's try a quick example here. All right, so we've got a circle and two chords that intersect inside the circle. Let's say this piece here is 4, that piece is 5, this piece is 2, and we're looking to find that one. So what we want to do is we want to make sure, again, we identify the pieces of the same chord. So that would be 4 and 5 on one chord, 2 and X on the other. So the simple equation is going to be 2 times X. You multiply those two pieces. That's got to equal what you get when you multiply the other pieces. So that equation simplifies to 2X equals 20. And then we just have to divide by whatever's in front of the X. And that gives us the length of that one segment of the chord. Pretty straightforward. Let's try another one. Circle with two chords that intersect. And for this one, let's say this piece here is 4, that piece is 6, and then this piece down here is 8, and I'm looking for that one. So again, the key is to identify the two pieces of the same chord. So in this case, it would be 4 and 6. And X and 8. So now here's our equation. 8 times X equals 4 times 6. Simplify that to 8X equals 24. Divide both sides by 8. And our missing piece is length 3. Last one, I think you guys got it. All right, so here's our circle. Two chords that intersect, and let's say I've got two equal pieces of 8 and 8. This piece here is 16, and I want to find the length of that piece. So again, what we're going to do is make sure we have the pieces of the same chord, so 8 and 8 are on the same chord, and X and 16 are on the same chord. So now here's our equation. 16 times X equals 8 times 8. Simplify that equation. 16x equals 64. Divide by whatever's in front of the x. 64 divided by 16 is 4, and that is the length of the missing piece. So there it is. There's the last lesson in Unit 10. You'll definitely need to watch this. And in Delta Math, there's a section on piece times piece equals piece times piece. So after watching this video, I'm sure you guys will find that section pretty straightforward and be able to complete that without much difficulty. Again, hope you all are well and stay healthy.